In order to turn on or off location on Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus 5G, first of all, we need to go to the settings. In the settings, scroll all the way down, and at the bottom you will find location. You want to go over here, and here you can simply enable and disable location. Of course, if you disable it, you will be notified that device location for all apps is turned off, and you may not be able to locate your device if it's lost. So of course, you can confirm by pressing close. You can turn it back on by tapping on this switcher, and here you can also go to app location permissions in order to choose which apps should have permission to location. In addition to that, you can also quickly turn on and off location by going to the control center, and then here you might be able to find the location button in order to turn it on or off. And if it's not found here, if you cannot find it, then you want to scroll all the way down in the control center to find edit button. And then here in system toggles, you should be able to find it. You can tap on it in order to add it to the list and then save the control center. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!